Hello everyone and welcome to a new video of Web3 hacking and development tips. Today I'm sharing with you this new website called Hamonis where you are going to learn and master Web3 development through practice, through solving challenges. It's a very innovative idea. I have been working on this for a while now, and there is only for now 3 challenges. I solved 2 of them. So without any further ado, let's start exploring this website. Here I'm on my dashboard. There is, as I said, 3 challenges so far. I solved this one called Welcome and this one called Public Owner. Let's go to see this one called Records. Okay, so unnoticed action passed under the hood, leaving no trace off chain. Explain how events, so the learning objectives is to explain how events record, contract activity on the blockchain, define and declare events in Solidity. So this is what you're going to learn from this challenge. Some instruction, some questions to answer, and the flag to submit. So let's start this challenge by pressing on here. Let's give it some time to run. I'm going to duplicate this, going back to the website dashboard to go through the website features. So here we have challenges, here we have learning path, we have no learning path, we have a leaderboard, there is me and another user. Okay, here upload. This upload, if you have an idea of a challenge and you want to share it with the users, you can upload it here, walk through in a zip file along with your walkthrough PDF. The team will go through it, test it, and they will publish it. There is subscription also. I'm already a premium user. It's 19 per month. There is, I believe, monthly, quarterly, and yearly, because they accept for now only cryptocurrencies. So there is no recurring payment. Okay, and we have support here, and we have our challenge running. So let's go and see the challenge. Okay, go to session, I believe. Yeah. Okay, so yes, this is our challenge. So what I have to do here in this challenge, I have to fire an event and drain the contract. Okay, a flag will be revealed, submit the flag and earn points. This is the MPC, this is the address of the challenge, the contract, sorry. This is the RPC network, so we can connect and interact with the challenge. We are provided with dummy wallets with their private key. They contain some Ethereum, dummy Ethereum, so you don't have to already provided with the needed Ethereum. The good thing about this platform is you don't have to install any dependencies. You don't have to go fetch for some Sepolia Ethereum or anything like that. Everything is provided to you. Everything is installed on this isolated environment. So just you have to interact directly with this challenge using any language you need, in any language you want. There is Python 3. Okay, also I believe you can also JavaScript, Node, yeah, Bash also. Whatever language you feel comfortable with, you can use it to solve the challenge. So I'm not going to solve the challenge now. I'm just showcasing the website. Okay. Yes, this is the smart contract code. Okay. Address. Let me delete this and go back to the platform. Okay. So there is one more thing which is I found very exciting and thoughtful and encouraging also. Here there is buy coffee. I think it's disabled because the admin here did not connect his wallet to his platform. So whenever any user upload a challenge, he will be receiving support from the users. They will send him a stable token, USDT, USDC, I believe. And the user can check his balance by going here to profile, wallet and withdraws. As you can see, I have my wallet here connected. So if I upload any challenge, my wallet, this wallet will be attached to the challenge. And here, if I connect also my wallet, I can see my balance, the coffee and the support that are sent to me from other users, and I can withdraw them at any time. This is very nice, very exciting, very thoughtful. User will be like innovative. They will create new challenges. They will be encouraged to create too many challenges. It's a very, very nice step. So let's go back to dashboard. So what other things that I have to uncover? Yeah, I believe, yes, there is one more thing. There is this documentation. It shows you how to create a challenge. You can visit the documentation through any challenge. For example, here, if you go to start, go down here, documentation, you'll have access to the documentation, Discord community. Okay, so what else? You can rate the challenge. So yes, very nice platform, very thoughtful. It's about Web3 because the resources are like you cannot easily find resources about Web3 development, and also there is too many like attacks on different protocols on the chain, where too many Ethereum were drained by hackers. So this platform, the main purpose of it is to simulate those attacks, to showcase to user how hackers were able to drain Ethereum, to steal from different protocols, and to learn. So cybersecurity professional in Web3 would be able to learn to master the skills, new skills, and in the future they will be able to develop more secure smart contracts. So this is all for this video today. Next video will be like solving this challenge records, and I will be uploading a new video solving this new challenge. Thank you so much for watching, and see you soon.